Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So andito na naman tayo guys, panibagong information na naman yung iba-vlog natin ngayon with regards to contract verification. So dun sa previous vlog natin, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood at mayroon pa rin tayong mga nare-receive na mga comment, mga question, clarification. So ito, additional information na lang. At saka syempre magpapasalamat na rin ako sa mga nanood dun sa previous vlog natin. At huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, hit the button below para updated ka for the next video. So yun na nga guys, bali umpisa na natin. The first way na magpa-contract verification tayo is yung online submission. So meron na nga tayong previous vlog dyan guys, you can just explore the site kung paano magpa-contract verification. The schedule, it will be available every Monday at 8 AM in the morning. So you can just check in the website guys. The schedule will be open every Monday. So meron lang certain number of applicants and guys, then they will close the online submission. Then magwi-wait ka na naman for the next schedule that will be open. So for more information guys, you can just visit to Dubai Consulate website www.mwudubai.org. So for more details guys, just visit that website. Another way guys, para tayo magpa-contract verification is pwede tayong mag-walk-in. So yung walk-in ay ina-allowed sa Dubai Consulate one day before your flight. So kung yung flight mo ay tumapat ng weekend like Sabado at saka Linggo, so you can just visit to the consulate either Thursday or Friday. So without prior appointment to guys, pwede ka mag-visit dun sa Dubai Consulate para magpa-contract verification. So ito nga yung tinatawag natin na walk-in contract verification. So don't forget to bring all the necessary documents. So meron na tayong details dyan, yung airline ticket mo at saka yung complete sets of requirements. So yung contract mo, Emirates ID, passport, saka visa. So dapat kumpleto yan. All sets, 2 kopya para at least hindi ka na magpapapotocopy pagdating mo dun sa Dubai Consulate. So once again guys, walk-in contract verification is accepted without the appointment. One day before the flight, pwede kang mag-visit sa Dubai Consulate. So yun lang yung update natin guys with regards to the contract verification dito sa Dubai at saka sa Northern Emirates. I hope na nakapag-share naman tayo ng information. So meron na tayong other way kung hindi tayo makakuha online. So pwede tayong mag-walk-in one day before the flight. So yan na lang yung option natin. But don't forget to bring all the necessary documents, especially the salary certificate, copy of your Emirates ID, passport, and your visa. And bring also the original passport guys. Kasi napaka-importante niyan. Pag di mo dala, di sayang lang din yung punta mo doon. Or pag nag-visit ka na doon sa Dubai Consulate. So maraming salamat sa inyong panunood dito sa aking channel. See you next time guys. Bye-bye!